you that the real reason why your skin isn't glowing, looking healthy or vibrant, isn't because you're not using good skincare products or having some health issues, but that there is something invincible that is quietly breaking down your skin's ability to heal itself. As someone who has gone through damaged skin barrier in the past, I can understand 100% how you feel right now about your skin. That breakout, dryness, sunburn or hyperpigmentation can be as a result of damaged skin barrier. So many skin problems are triggered by a compromised skin barrier. So no matter how many products you use or how much expensive the product is, it will still not work because you have broken barriers. The right approach to this is to heal your barrier first. But how, you may ask? Well, let me explain it in detail. Let's talk about your skin barrier and why fixing it could be the game changer you've been waiting for. Hi, I'm Sandra Ejike, the CEO of Huddle Woman's Secret, your skincare bestie and coach. I've spent years helping people just like you to rebuild their skin and gain back their full confidence once more. So let's get started. What is skin barrier? Think of your skin barrier as the bodyguard of your skin, the first line of defense between you and the outside world. Scientifically, it is called stratum corneum, the very top layer of your epidermis. Even though it is only about the thickness of a sheet of paper, it's absolutely essential for that healthy skin. Skin barrier helps your skin lock in moisture, natural oils, and essential nutrients. It prevents water loss through a process called transepidermal water loss. It blocks irritants, allergies, pollutants, bacteria, and other harmful environmental factors. So when you start noticing the following, that means your skin barrier has been compromised. Persistent dryness or flakiness, no matter how much moisture you use, your skin will always look dry. Stinging or burning when you are applying skincare products. Sudden sensitivity to products you used to tolerate. Unexplained redness or blotchiness. Rough or uneven skin texture. Breakouts that heal slowly. Increased hyperpigmentation after acne or irritation. There is 99% chances your skin barrier is compromised, is damaged when you notice all these things I've mentioned. Damaged skin barrier needs gentle, nourishing care, not more aggressive treatments. Here is what to focus on. Number 1, gentle cleansing. Avoid foaming cleansers with harsh sulfates. Look for formula with glycerin, panthenol, or ceramides. Secondly, moisture layering. Use hydrating toners or serums before heavier creams. Humectants like hyaluronic acid plus occlusive like snail mucin or shea butter works better. 3. Barrier replenishing. Ingredients like ceramides to rebuild the mortar between your skin cells, fatty acid to support your skin natural oil, cholesterol to improve your skin flexibility and water retention. Then sun protection. Use broad spectrum SPF 30 plus daily, even indoors, because UV penetrates windows. Reduce irritation by stopping entirely all the products that contain actives in them like retinol, AHA, BHAs until your barrier recovers. Avoid unnecessary fragrances and alcohol in your skincare. And here is the best part. Repairing your skin barrier doesn't have to be complicated. In fact, I am going to walk you through a simple 5-step routine that helped me repair my damaged barrier and has helped so many people as well. These products are affordable but very helpful. Number 1 is simple moisturizing face wash. Cleansing is the first step, but it is also the step that most people mess up. Harsh cleansers can strip your natural skin barrier, natural oil, leaving the skin barrier vulnerable. Go for gentle hydrating face wash that cleanses without overdrying your skin. Key ingredients in this particular product include glycerin, a humectant that draws water into the skin, essential to prevent irritation and sensitivity. It also contains panthenol, provitamin B5, which helps to soothe irritation and support your skin barrier repair. It also has mild surfactant, which cleanses the skin without stripping natural lipid, which is crucial for melanated skin that is naturally prone to dryness. So this is how to use it. Wash your face with this for not more than 60 seconds. Do not overwash your face. Use lukewarm water, not hot water. Hot water can damage your skin. and pat dry, do not rub. That is, after washing your face, you rinse off, then you pat dry your skin. The second step is simple soothing toner. This really helps my skin. It doesn't only prep your skin but also soothe and hydrate your skin. Think of toner as the reset button after cleansing. It replenishes lost moisture, calms the skin, and preps it to absorb the next product better. The ingredient content here is aloe vera, which instantly calms redness and irritation, chamomile extract, which is an anti-inflammatory property, perfect for sensitive and acne-prone skin. It has beta-glucan, which strengthens the skin barrier, boosts hydration. This is how to use this. Immediately after your face wash, towel dry with a clean towel, then go in with your toner, apply with a clean hand or cotton pad. Press into your skin, don't just swipe and go. Make sure you press it so your skin can absorb it properly. Step 3, hyaluronic acid serum. If your skin barrier is damaged, your skin is dehydrated, hyaluronic acid is like a big refreshing drink of water for that your skin. This will not only hydrate your skin, it will plump the skin and give you that instant glow and relief. Key ingredients here is hyaluronic acid, which helps to pull in water into the skin, makes it look plump and reducing fine lines. It contains sodium hyalurate, a smaller molecule that penetrates deeper for longer lasting hydration. Hyaluronic acid is great for its deeper skin tones, proper hydration, which helps to maintain elasticity, reduce the appearance of ashiness and dullness on the skin. How to use? Apply. Always use your hyaluronic acid on damp skin. Otherwise, it will pull out moisture instead of adding moisture to your skin. So when your skin is still damp, not completely wet, use your hyaluronic acid. The fourth product is Cosrx Advanced Nail 92 All-in-One Cream. This is where we'll lock everything in, and it is super repairing. If your face is looking super dry, please use Nivea moisturizer for that deep moisture. It leaves your skin feeling soft and supple. The ingredients we have in this particular cream is snail mucin, which is rich in glycoprotein, hyaluronic acid and peptide, which accelerates healing and gives you that smoother textured skin. It also has panthenol, which helps to boost barrier repair. It has allantoin, which calms irritation, promotes cell turnover gently. This product is incredible for evening out your skin tone, improving your skin texture while strengthening your skin resilience against environmental stressors. How do you use this? Apply a generous layer after your serum. Do not be stingy with your moisturizer. Don't rush it. Take a few seconds to massage this into your skin. And if you know you have dry skin, super dry skin, I will always advise you use this Nivea soft moisturizer because it is deep moisturizing. If you have deep dry skin, this can be a little light on your skin. It will not like deeply moisturize your skin the way you want it. So I will always recommend the Nivea soft because of how much moisture it gives to your skin. It is going to lock in moisture. It is going to keep your skin hydrated. It will make sure that your skin is looking plump and soft, like I said earlier. So if you know you have oil skin or just normal skin, you can use this. But if you have deep dry skin, please use this. The fifth one is Nivea sunscreen. If you do everything else but skip your sunscreen, you're still leaving your skin barrier exposed. UV damage breaks down collagen, slows down healing, and worsens your pigmentation. So you see, sunscreen is non-negotiable. For melanated skin, choosing a sunscreen that doesn't leave white cast is key. Tinted or gel or even water-based formula can be the game changer for you. How to use your sunscreen? Please apply your sunscreen every morning, 15 minutes before you go under the sun or before you even leave your house. Reapply every 2 hours if you are outside. Repairing your skin barrier isn't about chasing the next skincare trend. It's about giving your skin what it truly needs consistently. With this simple 5-step routine, you are gently cleansing without stripping your skin. You are replenishing hydration immediately. You are deeply hydrating with hyaluronic acid. You are sealing in the moisture and repairing with snail mucin cream or even Nivea cream. And you are protecting your result with sunscreen. It is not just about perfection. It's about protection and consistency. Here is my challenge to you. Commit to this simple barrier repair routine for the next 4 weeks and watch how your skin will transform. I am not joking. This is tested and trusted. I've used it on customers as well. Your skin doesn't have to be a constant battle. You can have that calm, glowing, healthy skin. You can start today with the right approach. Just try what I just recommended and you will definitely come back to thank me. If this particular video has opened your eyes to what you believe you've been missing in your skincare, drop it in the comment section. I am ready to repair. Hit that like button now if you feel you've learned something new, and share this particular video with someone that is struggling with your skin. And follow me for more pro-level skincare guidance made simple. I am that your skincare bestie, your skincare coach that is always there for you to give you legit updates concerning your skin, because I am not just here to tell you what to buy, I am also here to coach you into the healthiest skin of your life. See you in my next video and do have a beautiful day. Bye.